In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $3,254.33 utilizing TikTok. Now remember, this is revenue. Revenue is not profit. There are expenses on this, as I was actually dropshipping on TikTok, as I have had product expenses. But without further ado, let's go. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? In this video, I'm super excited to share with you guys exactly how I generated $3,254.33 revenue on TikTok with a total of 632 orders off of TikTok. This is a very interesting little strategy I used to actually use TikTok traffic, which is free viral traffic, to get a ton of dropshipping orders. Now, I don't actually speak a lot about dropshipping on my channel, but I want you to do me a favor. Comment down below if you want me to talk more about drop shipping on my channel. I know I talk a lot about affiliate marketing and drop servicing, but comment down below if you want me to talk more about drop shipping. So over here, I've got my live dashboard of my Magento e-commerce store, which is an e-commerce platform I use to put a little online store together. So over here, I just want to quickly show you, this is what my Magento store looks like. And over here is what the homepage of my little online store looks like. Now, I actually haven't designed the entire online store. All I did was design the single product page for my product that I was dropshipping on TikTok. So the nice thing about dropshipping, you don't actually need to make an entire online store. You can use something like Shopify or this e-commerce builder that I just paid only $1 for, which I'll show you how to get right now just in a bit, and you can put together an automated online store, and it's all automated with your dropshipping products on AliExpress. You don't need to do any of the hard work, so your product is connected from AliExpress onto your own store. You just add your markup. Every time someone places an order on your Magento store, you're going to get that money. Then that order is automatically transferred to AliExpress. They do all the deliveries, all the invoicing, all the hard work. You just keep your money as the man in the middle. So you don't need any stock on floor. This is an amazing business to build today without actually having any overheads, any business expenses besides your product expenses. I'm talking about overheads such as electricity, products, and you name it. You literally just need a PC and you can run this worldwide stock business around the world. So without further ado, there's going to be a couple of things that we need to set up. So over here is my Builderall dashboard, which is the tool that I use to design, over here if I hover over on apps, my e-commerce Magento store, where I connected this dropshipping store through AliExpress. I'm going to go through all the products and I cover all of that for you so you can see exactly what to choose and how to make use of this winning product and niche right now. So Builderall is a tool where you can literally build so many different businesses, from app builders to a funnel builder, a cheetah website builder, which is a landing page builder. It has automated emails where you can do email marketing. You've got messenger chatbots, WhatsApp automation tool, custom emails, Telegram automation, video tag tools, an amazing program where you can build an entire business build in a box. This tool goes from anywhere between $29 and $99 a month. However, I'm a top affiliate for this tool. I generated my first $10,000 off the affiliate program in 2020. So Builderall has actually given me a $1 coupon, meaning you can get this tool just for $1 your first month, and you can literally run an e-commerce store like I'm going to show you right now to pay off your Builderall account. So if you want to get Builderall for just $1, make sure to go over to the first or the second link in the description. It will say Builderall over there, and you can actually get this for just $1. So the first thing that we need is an e-commerce platform. Hover over the apps page over here, the apps tab, come over to e-commerce Magento. It'll open up your e-commerce builder. You'll see it should eventually look like this. So over here, you can open up your store. That's your home page over here. You can open up the admin dashboard, which is this admin dashboard over here. And you can delete the store and change the settings such as the name, the password to the login, users, etc. For you, if you are new to Builderall, there will be a button where you need to click on create new store. Just enter the store name, the password, login, and it will pop up with this page. So once you're done, I'm going to click on open admin. So just to open this in a new tab, you can see this is what this looks like. Now the first thing that we need to go and do is we need to go and get our product. So we are using AliExpress to dropship, and this is actually the interesting product I use to dropship on TikTok. Come over to the search bar and you want to search bracelets. That is bracelets, like that. Just click on the enter button over here, and over here you can see wholesalers on AliExpress selling interesting little bracelets, such as this little heart bracelet, these little looks like boho mixed leaves kind of bracelets, bracelets with your own personal name on, looks like more like a men's bracelet, bead bracelets, a more bracelet heart shaped, and some charm bracelets over here for $3. And you want to search for bracelets that look like this, such as a charm bracelet that suits the younger teen audience niche on TikTok, as TikTok's majority of the audience is younger teenage boys and girls. So this charm bracelet suits a lot of those young girls, those like relationship pages, you know, where they talk about these relationship quotes, and these quotes that make these young teenagers cry over their boyfriends and girlfriends. So anyway, so this bracelet kind of suits that audience. So I'm going to click on this product over here, which looks like this. So take a look at this. So you can ship from China to the United States from in 31 to 51 days for free. Otherwise, you can do May 18th, which is 30 days from now, for an extra $3.15. So what's nice is you can go and copy this product onto your products dashboard over here. So all you're going to do is you need to come over to your Magento dashboard by clicking on this button over here, open up admin, come over to find partners and extensions. I'm going to open this in a new tab over here. It will then open up the Magento marketplace like this. You want to scroll down, you want to click on visit Magento marketplace over here. You just want to search on the search bar over here, search AliExpress, just like that. And the exact tool that I was using to start off for free was the AliExpress connector to connect products from my AliExpress store to my Magento e-commerce store. But the thing is, with the AliExpress connector that's free, you do need to transfer orders manually. Once you've scaled, you can use that money that you've made manually to invest into the AliExpress dropshipping tool, which is the automation tool I use on Magento to automatically transfer orders and bulk orders off of AliExpress to my clients. This costs $149 though, but like I said, you can start off for free without using this tool. You're just gonna have to put some extra effort in transferring those orders manually. But I do recommend, if you want to start off with dropshipping, this tool over here is perfect. Once you've connected this tool, you can automatically import products over here. So if I come over to products over here on the catalog tab, click on that, you can add your product over here to your e-commerce store. Then you need to go and connect your payment gateway to get paid. So click on stores over here. You want to click on configuration over here. So I'm just going to open up configuration in a new tab to show you how to connect your payment gateway to get paid. You need to click on sales over here, and you need to scroll down and you need to click on payment methods over here. So wait for this to load. It'll take a couple of seconds to load up. Over here you can use Braintree, you can use check or money order, cash on delivery, bank transfer. I just recommend using PayPal and Braintree, as those are like the credit card payment gateways. Click on configure over here. All you need to do is just put in your PayPal email, your API username, and all of this information over here. So I don't want to show my own account information, but I will show you a quick website on how you can get all of this. So just go to Google and type in how to get PayPal API details, and PayPal will actually show you here how to get PayPal username, password, and API details. So just come to this website over here, putla.com, and how to get your PayPal API information. Once you've got that, you can paste all of that here. Just make sure you've got Sandbox selected to no, because Sandbox means test mode where you can't actually get real orders. And once it's done, click on save and your checkout will be made where people can enter their card information and you'll get paid to PayPal. If you don't have PayPal in your country, you can use Braintree over here, which is an alternative, or you can use Amazon Pay. So once your store is connected and all your products are connected off AliExpress and all your bracelets are set up, remember the dropshipping tool is going to import all the pictures, the titles, the stock, everything for you. It's all automated, which is amazing about this model. You want to come over to a website called shoutcart.com, where we can pay large Instagram and TikTok accounts to shout us out. So all you're going to do is going to click on browse influencers over here, which will take you to this tab over here. You want to filter by, there should be an option over here where you can go influencer type. Okay, you just have to log in with your account to make sure all the options are unlocked. And over here you want to filter everything except TikTok. So you want to go TikTok and link in bio. Sorry, everything except the others except TikTok. So that's TikTok and the TikTok link in bio. So over here you can see TikTok pages. You also want to maybe go filter by niche. So filter by, I would suggest uncheck all, and you want to go and check, I would say, quotes and text. I would say check as well love and romance, definitely love and romance, and maybe just fashion and style. So over here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 TikTok accounts in the fashion, romance, and as well as the quotes and text niche. So all of these audiences on these big TikTok pages. So for example, a TikTok page with 340k followers, you can actually click on the unlock username over here. I can't do that because I've used all my credits, but if you open up a free account on Shoutcart, you get 5 free credits. So what I suggest is come over to this TikTok username, you'll be able to copy it, come over to tiktok.com, just search TikTok, and you actually want to make sure that their page is legit. And let's go, for example, relationship Let's just search relationship. Obviously you're going to paste the page. I'm just going to use relationship quotes. And this page with 2,000 followers, okay, this is like a very small page. I would recommend choose nothing smaller than, don't choose anything smaller than 10K. So let's just go relationships again. And over here you can see a relationship page that's got 12K followers that actually gets literally more views than the amount of followers they get. And you can ask them to make a TikTok along the lines, if your boyfriend's initial starts with, and you can put like 10 letters, he has to get you this bracelet, link in bio or something like that. You want to ask them to create a simple TikTok like that that suits their page, that also seems organic, and you can actually get a lot of people to filter off their page to click on your sales link that's to your Magento dropshipping store, where they can check out with the bracelet and get delivered to them. And most kids or teens find this cheap, $9 for a bracelet. I charge $9.99. My expenses is about $2.30. So the thing is, to actually work out profit, if I take my let's just go for the calculator here, and I go 632, which was my total orders, times, let's go, I think it was $2.30. That's $1,453 expense. So if I go, for example, 3254 minus $1,452, that's plus minus $1,800 profit that I've made on this store doing this, plus minus a couple of expenses, let's say minus $200 on shout outs. So let's say $1,600 is the profit that I've made with the store. That's product expenses and then the shout outs on these pages. So you just want to try and watch all of their TikToks. For example, this page over here, let me just go back quickly. You want to watch throughout all of their TikToks and kind of identify or understand how you can integrate your bracelet product without seeming too salesy or too, like, you can see the difference between a TikTok that is organic and natural and a TikTok that's just trying to promote like a product or a channel, and a lot of people just skip those kind of videos. You want to make or get them to create a TikTok that is organic and suits their page as much as possible. But I hope you guys got tons of value from this and actually going to take action with this and try get results. So definitely follow me on Instagram if you're going to try this out. Send me a message if you get any results. I'd really appreciate that, and I'll maybe actually shout you out on my story as well. And also, if you want to get lifetime one-on-one video mentoring with me in my 6-figure drop servicing university course, which is a 57 intensive 4-week training program that will actually teach you, instead of how to sell products, sell rare high-income skills and services, that instead of now making $8-9 profit, you're making hundreds to $500 plus profit per high-ticket service sale that you sell. So what I love about drop servicing, you don't actually have to have any products at all. It's all digital, so there's no delivery times. Your clients are satisfied immediately as they get their service in a day or two, and your profits are way bigger and way much more per sale. So definitely recommend come and check out the first link in the description if you want to get a free training on what's in this drop servicing university. You can actually see a whole bunch of results from students over here and all the bonuses that are included over here, which is a total value of about $19,000, I think. And right now it's on huge special as well. So make sure to go over to the first link in the description to grab your free training.